Okay, so don't mind the mess, but I've been working on my MiG, finally got it done. Still have to adjust that, but I have the servos replaced, the ailerons, the nose gear, the retracts now work properly. So I got the afterburner working. I disconnected the motor, that's why you hear the noise. So with the afterburner going, comes on at about half, a little after half, probably about 60%, and ramps up to full. I have it on a Y connector with the throttle, so I haven't done anything fancy with it yet. I might though, but if I do, then I'll put some flicker in there. But for now, this is a simple way. That works pretty good. So that's it. I got the plane done. Took a little bit of time. Like I said, don't mind the mess. I've been working. Got everything all torn up. My cat's over here chilling. But got everything done. Still a little bit of a mess in there, but I got rid of that dang board because it had blown out two different ports had blown out, three different ports had blown out. So all that's out. A little bit of tidying up in there to do, and I'm done. I got the nose gear replaced. I had to change the nose gear servo. It was bad, but I changed the nose gear servo, both ailerons, and the rudder. And it's finally going to get going. I may end up balancing this fan, I don't know, but it's not perfect right now. But I've been spending so much time on it until I'm just wanting to fly it at the moment. So first flight coming up on, oh, not first flight, second flight. First flight I flew without rudder, but this flight's coming up on Sunday. Get it ready, and then hopefully have it ready in time for the air show on the 7th. That's it.